Hey everyone! Welcome back to Automotive Widgets, the channel where we help you find the best upgrades for your ride. Today, we're diving into the best coilovers for Toyota Camry, from the latest Rev 9 Hyperstreet 2 to the maXpeedingrods T6 Blue Series. Whether you want smoother handling, a lower stance, or track level control, we've got something for every Camry generation. So buckle up, hit that like button, and see which coilover kit transforms your driving experience. Number 5. maXpeedingrods T6 Blue Coilovers. The maXpeedingrods T6 Blue Coilover kit represents a premium evolution in suspension tuning for the Toyota Camry ACV30/MCV30, 2002 to 2006. It's equipped with 24 levels of damper adjustment, allowing you to tailor the ride to your exact driving style, from comfortable city cruising to firm, track-ready performance. The T6-grade aluminum construction ensures lightweight strength, while the height-adjustable shock absorbers deliver precise stance control without compromising shock travel. The anodized blue finish not only resists corrosion but also makes your setup stand out with a clean, sporty appeal. User feedback highlights the excellent damping range, soft enough for comfort yet responsive under aggressive cornering. These coilovers significantly reduce body roll and front-end dive, making the Camry feel more planted and controlled on twisty roads. If you want an affordable upgrade that feels close to high-end Japanese suspension kits, the maXpeedingrods T6 Blue is a top-tier option for your early 2000s Camry. Number 4. maXpeedingrods Red Adjustable Coilovers. Owners of early 2000s Toyota Camry models will appreciate the maXpeedingrods Red Coilover suspension kit for its perfect balance between everyday drivability and sport-tuned handling. Designed to fit Camry ACV30/MCV30, 2002 to 2006, this kit offers full height adjustability and preset damping, making it ideal for enthusiasts who want improved performance without spending thousands on premium brands. The twin-tube shock design provides a smooth response on city streets while keeping the car firmly planted during spirited driving. The red powder-coated finish not only enhances the sporty look but also offers excellent protection from rust and weather elements. Many customers love the OEM-like fitment, installation is straightforward, and alignment remains within range even after lowering. Performance-wise, drivers notice sharper cornering, reduced nosedive under braking, and improved steering feel. It's a superb upgrade for those wanting to modernize their Camry's ride quality and stance while staying on a reasonable budget. Number 3. maXpeedingrods Gold Adjustable Coilovers. The maXpeedingrods Gold Coilover kit is a favorite among performance enthusiasts who want an aggressive look and tighter control for their 1990s Camry, Avalon, or Lexus ES300. Designed with height adjustability and preset damping, it provides a perfect blend of comfort and responsiveness for both daily driving and spirited cornering. The precision-machined aluminum components reduce overall suspension weight, while the heavy-duty steel lower mounts ensure durability on uneven roads. Its anodized gold finish not only enhances corrosion resistance but also gives your undercarriage a race-inspired aesthetic. Users consistently highlight its stability during high-speed turns and the way it minimizes body roll without making the ride overly harsh. Although it doesn't feature customizable damping like high-end coilovers, the preset tuning is impressively balanced, firm enough to enhance handling yet smooth enough for long drives. For drivers seeking a reliable, budget-friendly upgrade that looks as good as it performs, this maXpeedingrods kit is a solid contender. Number 2. BDFHYK Adjustable Coilovers Suspension Kit. For owners of older Camry models, 1992 to 2001, the BDFHYK Coilovers Suspension Kit is a fantastic choice that combines affordability, adjustability, and improved handling. Designed to fit not only the Toyota Camry but also the Avalon, 1995 to 2003, and Lexus ES300, this kit brings a performance-focused suspension upgrade to vehicles that are often overlooked by modern aftermarket brands. The height-adjustable system allows you to fine-tune your ride stance, whether you're going for a sporty drop or just tightening up the suspension for daily driving. The twin-tube design absorbs road imperfections efficiently, while the durable red powder-coated finish protects the assembly from corrosion. Many users report a dramatic improvement in cornering grip and steering response, especially compared to aging stock struts. It's also praised for offering an excellent ride balance, firm enough to feel planted, yet comfortable enough for daily commutes. If you want to give your older Camry or ES300 a modern, aggressive feel without breaking the bank, BDFHYK delivers unbeatable value. Number 1. Rev 9 Hyperstreet. The Rev 9 or 9HS2-132-1 Hyperstreet 2 coilover is engineered for modern Camry owners seeking track rate adjustability with everyday comfort. This monotube shock design provides 32 levels of rebound damping, letting you fine-tune stiffness for highway cruising or sporty cornering. The full-length height adjustment feature maintains proper shock travel, meaning you can lower your car without compromising ride quality. Users praise its OEM-level fitment and durable construction, which stands up well to both city roads and aggressive driving. Its sealed structure keeps dust and moisture out, extending the lifespan significantly. For drivers who want to enhance their Camry SE/XSE stance while achieving superior stability and reduced body roll, this Rev 9 kit is an exceptional all-rounder. That wraps up our list of the top 5 coilovers for Toyota Camry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth automotive reviews and installation guides. All the coilovers featured in this video are linked in the description below, so check them out before they sell out on Amazon. Thanks for watching. This is Automotive Widgets, which helps you tune smarter, drive better, and ride in style.